All right, this is Child Abuse Prevention Month, and this is the proclamation. There's a consensus across the country that it's necessary to build strong prevention systems as part of a robust family well-being system that not only supports families when they're in crisis, but is intentional in supporting families before they are in crisis. The universal challenges faced over the past 3 years have compounded the struggles children and families in our communities were already facing and heightened the urgency for us to consider what a robust family well-being system in Eastland County could and should look like. In Eastland County, we believe that children thrive in safe, stable, nurturing families with their own communities. Through establishing partnerships with families that capitalize on the collective strengths of parents and their children, we can build strong, healthy families and resilient communities where children can thrive. Sadly, child maltreatment is still a significant public health issue. Communities that lack accessible supports and resources and are disproportionately affected by poverty can experience increased risk factors that lead to child abuse and neglect. Despite the complex factors that can lead to child maltreatment, it can be prevented. Each year, the month of April is dedicated to recognizing the critical work being done across our great state to meet families upstream before a crisis occurs and offer them accessible lifelines that mitigate the challenges that they face. Child abuse prevention occurs every day through the diligent work and tireless advocacy undertaken by Eastland County families, friends, neighbors, houses of faith, advocacy groups such as this right here, nonprofit organizations, schools, healthcare providers, social workers, and government agencies to support children and families in every community. Child abuse prevention cannot be tasked to one community, agency, or system. Behind many families that succeeded on their own is a strong community that provided a way for the family to meet their needs. We must all work together to strengthen our communities and build localized supports that are accessible and contribute to the well-being of the entire community and keep children and families safe and together. I encourage everyone to learn more about the many aspects of our communities working hard to create positive, healthy environments for the future leaders of our great state and nation. Together, we can create a brighter future for children, families, and communities in Eastland County and ensure tomorrow's leaders have the support they need to thrive and reach their potential. Therefore, I, David Hullum, County Judge, do hereby proclaim April 24th to be the Child Abuse Prevention Month in Eastland County, and I urge the appropriate recognition thereof. In official recognition, I affix my signature on the 25th day of March 2024, and it is signed by Commissioner Andy Maxwell, Commissioner James Crenshaw, Commissioner Ronnie Wilson, Commissioner Robert Raines, and also our elected county clerk. So I can tell you guys that this is a special part in my heart because those are the future leaders that we're fixing to turn the United States over to and our communities over to. So we've got to do a better job of reaching out, finding them and identifying them first, I think, and then we need to start throwing resources at them. And I think the churches need to step up and get involved as much as they can. And obviously the advocacy groups are already involved. So I think we all need to just join hands and move forward. So God bless you all.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
We appreciate you.
Well, I appreciate you guys for letting me come up here and be seen with all these good looking ladies.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you guys for what you do.